how to fix Quick Snap not showing on Instagram. So if you want to fix Quick Snap not showing on your Instagram, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your Instagram application, make sure that you have logged into your account. Now, after logging into your account, you need to just simply go with messages, which will be in the bottom middle. And then you need to go with the bottom right here. You need to tap on it. And then here, as you can see, that you will have instant. You can also say quick snap. So tap on try it, which will be on the bottom. And then you'll be able to add a quick snap on your Instagram. Or if your friends have added a quick snap, then you'll be able to view their quick snap. But if you're not getting this option, then what you need to do is just simply go back at first and then open up your Play Store. After opening your Play Store, you need to go with search, and under search, you need to search for Instagram. After searching for your Instagram, if you have any updates on your Instagram, just simply go and update it, because Quick Snap is a feature that comes with the latest update. So make sure to update it. And after updating, if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your settings. Scroll down a bit, go with apps, tap on manage apps, and then you need to go with search. Under search, you need to search for Instagram. After searching for Instagram, tap on it, go with clear data, which will be in the bottom right, tap on clear cache and tap on OK. After clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. If that still doesn't fix your problem, then you need to go back and then open up your Instagram. After opening your Instagram, you need to go with your profile, which will be in the bottom, and then go with the 3 horizontal lines, which will be in the top right. Once there, you need to just scroll down a bit, and then you will find an option of report or help. Go with help, and under help, you'll have report a problem. Tap on it and tap on report problem without shaking. Now tap on include, and here you need to briefly explain what happened and what's not working. So you need to write that even after updating my Instagram, I'm not being able to find quick snap option. After that, go with send. You can also add some screenshots if you want to, and within a few hours or days, your problem might be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.